Let's cook mini lumpia, small egg roll lumpia, plant-based wraps, veggie wraps, delicious. One of my favorites that my beloved mom always cooked. Super yum. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes 22, you will find worldwide, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Nobles, all bookstores near you in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. And my beloved mom is right here in front of the book cover, in front of our kitchen when we were growing up, a gift from my beloved dad. And more delightful food recipes in this my mom's cookbook. And let's go ahead to our hot pan, and let me stabilize my camera here. And we are going to enjoy this with apple cider vinegar and garlic. That's my favorite. My favorite dipping sauce. And so we're going to see if this is ready to be flipped, golden brown and crunchy. This is mouth-watering already. And it's so easy. All you have to do is to wrap. Let me show you again. I bought a plant-based egg roll wraps, and you could wrap meats or chicken or vegetables or pork, however you like it. This is almost ready, turning golden brown and crunchy. My beloved mom is a wizard in forming and wrapping this the very delicious lumpia, mini lumpia. You could wrap the lumpia or veggie lumpia or lumpia Shanghai into small pieces as well, however you like it. The aroma of our mini lumpia is super yum. What gives the lumpia really delicious is the garlic and with the onions as well. And then when I cook veggie lumpia like this, I don't have to cook the vegetables because you're going to fry it, so you don't want to overcook the veggies. And this is going to be really, really crunchy and delicious. I used in frying extra virgin olive oil, but you could use veggie oil, vegetarian oil if you would like, and it will give the same results. It's all up to you. You are the chef in the kitchen. Right. The aroma of our veggie mini lumpia is super yum. And you could put some chicken or meat if you would like. I added a little bit of ham, the leftover since the holidays. And I don't eat ham every day. It's just a holiday thing. But you don't have to if you don't want ham. You could use chicken or fish. Oh my goodness, this is turning golden brown and super, super, super delicious. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorites that my mom always cooked. And let's see if we could try to get one that is ready for us to try. Let's see here. I think this is ready for us to be enjoyed. It's golden brown, and so we have little paper towel to dry up the olive oil, but I'm not worried because we use the olive oil, and the olive oil is very nutritious, so that's why I use olive oil. Oh my goodness, the aroma of our lumpia fillings is really very super yum. And so I turn up the oven, the stove, so that the heat that is left over will continue to cook. As you can see, oh my goodness, super yum. Happy cooking! Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. And we're going to try this and dip it with our garlic and apple cider vinegar. For you and me and all of us, yum. Goodness, yummiest and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Juanita Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Wow, this is super yum. You're gonna love this as I do. And for you and me and all of us, mighty and presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy, transmute it into the violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. For you and me and all of us, yum yum. Happy cooking, yum.